Okay. Done?
Yeah.
Should I start?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so first I'm going to choose router.
Louder.
So if I need to choose more than one router, I will click control, then I will click this router.
Uh, oh,
Maybe you should press command instead
because this is Mac, not Windows.
Oh, come on. Okay, here and here. Done. Then switch this one and this one. Done.
Yeah.
Then move to the end device, that is this one, and this one. Done. Now we need to connect all of them.
yes.
I'm going to use this auto cable, this one, this one, this one to this one, this one to this one. Okay, so for this I can use another cables, but this is the better option. On this, turn off,
Oh, and choose and thread.
choose this one. We can also choose like this one and turn on. Yes, this is another option. Like, we need to turn off, we need to select any module. These are the modules, and if I'm going to click any module, I will get the information what I am going to get after installing this module. I can select from here as well as from here. Okay, and I can put 3 more modules and turn this on. Now I need to this is DCE and this is DTE.
Yeah.
If you are going to choose this one, then you need to give the clock rate. So we don't need to give right now, so I'm going to choose DCE cable, and here, done. So next, it would be better if we are going to tag 192.168.1.1.
Command C.
Okay, and this would be the another network 2.1, and the next will be 2.2, the same network 2.1 2.2. And for this, control V 1.2. Okay, this is done, this is done. Now we have this network, and this network. Let's move here, control V, and this would be, let's say, 3.1, and this would be 3.2, and this would be 4.1, control V 4.2, and the last network is 5.1. Control all, control C, and just put here on V 5.2 and escape. Done. Now we need to give the IP addresses. So this is what this is. Okay, so here this is 1.2.
Yeah.
Okay, and control C, control V 1.1. Done.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to this desktop, and this is what, this is 3.2, 3.2 and 3.1, 3.1, and this is 5.2. 5.2, and this would be 5.1. 5.1, that default gateway. So we are done with these end devices. Now let's move to router. So here, fast Ethernet 0/0, 1.1, the gateway IP address, okay,
Yeah.
and turn it on. Now 0/1/0, this one. So the IP address is 2.1, 2.1, turn on. Now we need to configure this interface. So this is what 0/1/ this one 0, this one. So the IP address is 2.2, 2.2. Now fast Ethernet 0/0, the IP address is 3.1. Done. And here we need one more interface, this one 0/1/1 here, and the IP address is 4.1. 4.1.
When you try to configure not using the config tab for CLI, should we use? Can you go back to the config tab? Should we use these commands that's shown here?
Yes,
Yep.
of course. Like, see, first I need to select. When I'm going to select, this is the command interface serial 0/0, and then I give the IP address. So this is the command IP address, this is the IP address, and this is the subnet mask. So here you need to give all information, and there you just need to click and you can see the subnet mask. And when I'm going to click, no shutdown command. Okay, so this is what, this is our serial 0.1.1.4.1. so we are done. So for this router, fine, this is 0/1/0, 0/1/0, and the IP address is 4.2, 4.2, and no shut command. You can see when I click here, no shut command, no shut command. Okay, now fast Ethernet 0/0, the last one is 5.1, subnet mask, and done.
I think you missed the no shut command.
Yes, 5.1. Okay, done. So this is the basic configuration. Now we need to configure what, RIP version 1 or 2?
Version 2.
Version 2. Okay, command line prompt exit, because we are at interface level. We just need the global configuration mode here. ROUTR router RIP version 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 2 VERSION version 2, and the network we need to announce. So on this router there are two networks. The first one is 192.168.1.0, and the second one is 2.0.
And
One network and second network, and then done. If you need to save the configuration, yes, you can save the configuration. So here we can find 2, 3, 4. The first is what, router RIP
version 2.
version 2, and the network is what, 192.168.2.0, the first network, second 3.0, 3.0, and the last one is 4.0. So you can see we are using same class C IP addresses. So how much this is interesting. We don't need to write all IP addresses again and again. So this is our last router. Here we can find network 4 and 5. Exit, router RIP, version 2. No, there is a mistake. VERSION, version 2. Now, what are the networks? Network 192.168.4.0, and the second one is 5.0. So we are done. So we just need to select this message here to here and here to here. This successful
Successful.
after first message, okay?
Yes.
And again for this network successful. You can also ping this PING 192.168.5.2, the last one, okay? And the between, so 3.2, 3.2, okay? So this is 3.2 and this is 5.2.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
welcome. You have any questions, you can send me an email or write down.